In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to increase font size in Evernote. Whether you're trying to make a specific piece of text stand out or just want to make things easier on your eyes, resizing your text in Evernote is a simple process that can enhance your overall note-taking experience. Let's walk through the steps together. First, let's start by opening a note in Evernote. If you haven't already picked one, go ahead and launch Evernote on your device. Once you have it open, navigate to the note that contains the text you want to adjust. If you're just getting started and have a blank note, you can type a few words to practice with. With the note open, the next step is to highlight the text you wish to resize. To do this, click and drag your cursor across the text. You'll see it become highlighted, which means you're ready to make changes. Highlighting ensures that any adjustments you make apply only to the selected portion of text without affecting the rest of your note. Now, let's turn our attention to the toolbar located at the top of the Evernote window. This toolbar is your gateway to a variety of editing tools, including the option to change font size. Within the toolbar, you'll want to find the drop-down menu that pertains to font size. It'll display a number, like 11, 12, or 14, which represents the current font size of your highlighted text. Once you've located the font size dropdown, click on it to reveal a list of different size options. The numbers you see indicate the point size of your text, and you can select from a range of sizes to fit your needs. Choosing a larger number will increase the font size, making your text more prominent and easier to read. For instance, if your text is currently set at size 12, selecting 14 or even 16 will enlarge it. As you select a new size, you'll notice the highlighted text in your note changes in real time. This immediate feedback allows you to experiment with different sizes until you find one that looks just right. Feel free to adjust up or down as necessary until you're satisfied with the appearance. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you can easily increase the font size in your Evernote notes, giving your content the visibility it deserves. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it empowers you to personalize your notes to suit your unique style and needs. Thanks for watching, and happy note-taking.